to my name like Creflo. Not the boy, late to the game. It's in the blood flow. And I'm from the south. It's thick skin and tough bone. Big attitude through big lips with gusto. Trust no kings.
All right. Johnny Turbo back at you for another video. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you go subscribe. Today's sick. We're going spectator drag racing at Seekonk Speedway in Seekonk, Mass. It's probably my new favorite thing, guys. I just can't lie. It is a barrel of fun. It's insane. So we're looking at some cars right now that are gonna be out there. The Subaru right here is a woman driven. It's nasty. She got her harness in there. She got some decent tires. Now that's the thing over here. Everybody, most of these people are running on slicks or some type of triple R, race spec tire. I'm on a all season, I guess it's a summer tire, but 225/50. So I'm on a slippy dippy tire. But let that be said, it don't matter because it is a blast out here. Here's another Subaru right here. This guy's got a built IAG 400 horse. He's out there ripping. He's on 265 triple. What are those, triple R's? Come on. I'm on a 265 35 18. I'm on a 225 50 17. Look at this Camaro's all built right here. The Z28 was sick. I raced him once. I highly suggest if you can get to a track and support a track near you, go do it. Now I also am using the video from cameraman 1080i on YouTube, and he's at NEMMTV on the gram. I highly suggest you go follow him, subscribe, and do all that, because he is bringing you the spectator drag races every week, every time they run. Fastest uploads on YouTube. Go subscribe immediately. And get right into this first race of the day right here for me. First race against this blue Z28. Now I got a pretty good launch, but he just outpowered me down the front. Of course he stuck me on the outside. It's a coin toss. Now I'm sticking with him. I'm starting to scrub up high on that outer bank there, the outer straight. I lost some distance there, but I'm hugging and bugging. All right, next race here, 2013 Volkswagen R. All-wheel drive manual. Met this kid and talked to him. He's a super good driver. Anytime he's out there, that kid can win. I've seen him take down some big giants before. I just got the good jump here and got out ahead, and luckily I was able to sneak out with a win here because he was coming. Next one, another Z28. I got the launch, but I didn't have good RPM. I got the jump, rather. I didn't get the launch, and he came right back around. I tried to hang and bang. Tires are slipping. I don't know what happened in the turn 2 there. I lost some momentum. Coming into 3, I'm just stabbing it. Nothing I can really do. Coming out of 4. Stay up high. Now here's where I went wrong. I should have stayed a little lower. Now this was the best. This 2-lap special race was sick. Now they put me on the inside. Boom, I'm gone. Look at that, folks. I get the jump. I'm out. I'm out. This is a 2-lap special. My man in the silver Trans Am Camaro right there is coming behind me. He's prepped. He's got race slicks. He's got the whole deal. And I'm just 4 cars ahead right now. Just loving life, not knowing when someone's gonna come up on my butt. Now he gets me right here. Now I'm picking up speed. I'm starting to push and slide in the turn, trying to slow down a little bit. Now I hit the brakes way too early here. You can see me. He bumps on the inside, didn't hit me, but he got on the inside. I pushed way wide and give him the win. Now if I had just stayed low right there, that would have been me. All right, here we go. 2-lap, 4-car battle. Here's me pulling up, looking. I'm surprised they gave me the inside shot right here. I couldn't even believe it. All right, I'm taking it. Here we go. Light turns green, and I'm revving and I'm gone. 1 gear, 2 gear, and I'm like, holy crap! I'm leading this thing. So I'm just trying to go as fast as I can. Heavy on the gas. I don't know why I'm keep on grabbing the stick shift like that on that back straight. And I think I might grab 4th, but I never do. Okay, now 2nd lap coming in. Turn 1, I'm coming in pretty good. Turn 2, now I'm coming in pretty fast, and I think I got this. Now I'm starting to be relaxable, so I come in a little bit easy to this turn. I look inside, there's the Trans Am. Oh, he scares me a little bit. That little nudge right there you see in the wheel makes me skid a little bit, and he comes around the inside and takes me out. Good race, sick race. I'm pretty stoked. I could have had that if I just kept that last turn tidy and neat. I would have come down and taken that checker, but that's all right. What a sick day. And now I'm just excited. And pissed that I lost that one. It's all good. It's all good. This is sick. Getting some love from the crowd, and we out. Yo, I let off. I was that last race is dope. The 4 or 5 car special 2-lapper was sick. Leading the whole thing, turn 4, the last turn, that Camaro Trans Am came around the inside of me. I fucking let off a little bit. I started going sideways, stayed in and got back in the gas. It was too late. Close race though, but yo, I'm doing that every time. That is just rad. So the car's here. We're already back on the trailer. I'm sweating like a dog. It's hot out here, but that was insanely fun. I absolutely love spectator drags. It's so cool. If there's a track near you, get out and spectator drag. All right, I'm gonna load this thing up and get ready to go, but what a goddamn day. All right, we'll see ya.
Rock bottom make the man and some pressure make a gemstone. Trying to put $1 to my name like Creflo. Not the boy, late to the game. It's in the blood flow. And I'm from the south. It's thick skin and tough bone. Big attitude through big lips with gusto.